Here's how to run an ANOVA test in Google Sheets using a free add-on. Go to Extensions, then Add-ons, then Get Add-ons. Search for XLMiner Analysis ToolPak and install it. Once installed, go to Extensions and click XLMiner Analysis ToolPak, then click Start. A sidebar will open on the right. From the sidebar menu, select ANOVA Single Factor. Highlight all your data, including column headers, and click inside the Input Range box. The selected range will populate automatically. Set Group By to Columns. Check Labels in First Row if your data has headers. Leave alpha at 0.05 for a standard significance level. Click on an empty cell where you want the results to appear and set it as the output range. Click OK, and XLMiner will generate a full ANOVA summary table showing the F-statistic and p-value, telling you whether there are statistically significant differences between your groups. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.